Good morning students. Today we are going to study about articles. What is articles? Here you can see in the chart an, the and a. These are not articles. I want to explain to you that a, e, I, o, u. These 5 letters are called vowels because we use vowels for starting with o. Here is o. So here an orange, oven, an ink pot, an eagle, an umbrella, an owl, an octopus, an ice cream, an apple. Because all these starting the letters are with vowels. So we are using the an. That is one article. An is one article. The next is the. The Yamuna, the earth, the king, the Himalaya, the Taj Mahal, the Ramayana, the Black Sea. Here I pronounce the because here comes E. E is vowel. So wherever we see E or A or I or O or U, we have to use for the place. This is a river. So I did not use here an or a. Here I used the. Here is coming, the E is coming here, so I am using here the. Wherever this vowel is coming, we have to use here the. But here we can't use the because this is the things. This is the historical or river or earth, king and all. We have to use the. Here comes fan, dog, book, doctor, hospital, bottle, garden. Here we have to use a fan. There is only one fan. So a fan, a dog, a book, a doctor, a hospital, a bottle, a garden. I hope that you understood what is an, the and a. These 3 are called articles. So I will explain to you from the textbook more. But this chapter is not in the textbook of yours. This everything you have to be listen very nicely and observe and study well. The words a or an and the are called articles as I told you before. The word the points out some particular person or thing. As I told you, this is a king. So we are using the. Here is Ramayana. This is something we are showing something. Ramayana is a thing. So the Ramayana we have to say. Then the word the points out some particular person or thing. Therefore it's called definitive article. This is called definitive article. This is called a definitive article. Then the word a or an, which all are they? An or a or an, leaves indefinitive the person or thing spoken of. Therefore it is called indefinitive article. Once again I will explain to you. This is the we use for definitive and the and a is used for indefinitive. Now some words I shall show to you. Here we can use a cat, a girl, a man. Here comes an advocate, an onion. I hope that you understood why we used an, because here is vowel. Here this also is vowel. Here we used an. Here we used a, since this is a personal thing. Then comes our definitive article, some examples. Here we use, for these three historical places we use, this is a river, so the Ganga. This is a sea, so we don't say an Black Sea or a Black Sea, we use the Black Sea. Here Red Fort is a historical place, so the Red Fort. I hope that you understand. Then some activities I shall give you, since this chapter is not in the textbook of yours. Here you can see there are two blanks. So here comes this, since it is a river, the Nile, and here comes the Nile is a longest river in the world. I hope that you understand. Then I shall give you another example. There was dash orange in her hand. Since here comes the vowel, we have to use here an. Then I shall give you some words that you have to write. This you have to note down in your book. Here comes an advocate, a bench, a dozen, an oven, an emperor, an elephant. Here comes the moon, the sun, the star, the books. These are all about articles that we have to study. Then I shall give you some homeworks to be note down in your notebook. These 5 you have to note down in your notebook. The dash long time, dash pencil, dash park, dash Bible, dash uncle. This you have to add fill with an, a or the, which is coming according to that you have to fill it. These are about this article chapter. All these things whatever I have wrote down in the board, and the things with the vowels and the a, you have to note down in your notebook and study well and do this homework at your home. Thank you.